Hi Paul. You've brought your taxi in today, little Ford 1.6. It sounds like you've been round to most of the garages in the northeast. You've had DPFs taken off, cleaned, EGRs replaced, 3 different turbos, keeps going into limp mode.
Empty bank balance.
Empty bank balance, yes. You've been referred here. We've just done a deep clean Hydroflow treatment, cleaned your injectors as well. Yeah. I haven't driven the car, but you have. I've just been out with you. I'd like your feedback if you don't mind, please.
Well, having months and months of turbo lag, of not having the power, constant lights coming on. Hopefully the car feels much better there, faster, a lot more power. Hopefully you've solved the problem.
Definitely pulling away better.
Oh, it's definitely pulling away better.
Quieter, smoother.
Yeah.
Right.
Sitting at idling much better than it was before, yeah.
So it's a distinct improvement you've been aware of straight away.
Without doubt.
So we'll keep our fingers crossed this overboost issue has been resolved
Hopefully. No lights have come on. I've had my foot down to the ground, so often before put your foot down to the ground within 2 or 3 miles the engine management light would come on.
So definitely worthwhile.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks a lot, Paul. Appreciate that. Thank you.